Hello to all my friends out there. So I'm doing some old-fashioned cooking, but I'm doing some crazy cheap cooking. So I bought these hash browns at Dollar Tree. And so in the day, we served everything on a big platter. So these are sunny side up eggs, and in the olden days, long time ago, all the eggs were fried in shortening. For one thing, the eggs taste good when they're fried in shortening. It's the way my grandmother used to do it. So my grandmother was born, and also I try to put all the little pieces of everything on. See on my little pieces of hash browns? No wasting! And then, ooh, and then I made some tasty, what is that? Sounds like an earthquake. Okay, I made some bacon. Ooh. Some bacon and some jalapeno and some cheese bread to go, because it's really gonna up our nutrition. These are nice big rolls, homemade. Okay, I fried the bacon, and I just put bacon, green chili salsa, and cheese on top of my bread, my rolls. And if you make rolls, these are good. And then, you know, everyone would help themselves off the platters, which is the way I really like to do it anyway. And then, okay, my grandmother was born in 1906, and so her grandmother was the one that came across the plains. And then this is some cooked fruit. Okay, the cooked fruit is good because, you know, if you have fruit that's needs to be used up, you can cook your fruit. But there's another thing that's really going to be good with the cooked fruit. And that is going to be these rolls I made. Okay, so now, no excuses, you guys. Just scroll down. Okay, so now I have butter because I switched from margarine to butter. But if you can't afford, then go to margarine. Okay, I bought the vegetable shortening at Walmart. And I just had these apricots in the stockpile, and I drain them. I cover them with water. And then I cook them down, and then when they're done, you want to add some lemon juice if you have it. But if you stockpile this lemon juice at 99¢ only, or Dollar Tree. Okay, so now on the issue of cooked fruit, this is one thing that's going to enable you to use your stockpile too. So, okay, this is what happens. Or you can eat a little bowl of cooked fruit. Butter and honey is really good too. Then on the hash browns, I like a little ketchup. And the thing about the ketchup is there's a little, it can count as a vitamin C, and it can count as a vegetable. And then on the eggs, I usually have some Tabasco. So here is the crazy cheap old-fashioned cooking. And I'm going to be doing some old-fashioned cooking. So, okay, this is very, very cheap. And this way you're not going to run out of food. You're not going to go hungry. You can make this on top of the stove. Scroll down if you want to see how I did it. And God bless you all.